All right, our first skill is long division. To do long division, we're going to take what we're dividing by, put it out here. We're going to take what is being divided and put it in here. All right, first thing we have to do is decide how many times x goes into x to the third. So x to the third divided by x is equal to x squared. That goes up top. Then x squared will get multiplied by both terms on the outside. So x squared will get multiplied by x, and then x squared will get multiplied by -6. And then we're going to subtract that. So x to the third minus x to the third is nothing. Negative x squared minus -6x squared, that's positive 5x squared. And then we're going to drop down our remaining terms. All right, now we're going to figure out how many times does x go into 5x squared. So 5x squared divided by x, that's equal to 5x. That goes up top. Now 5x gets multiplied by both terms on the outside. 5x times x, 5x times -6. We're going to subtract. 5x squared minus 5x squared is nothing. -22x minus -30x, that's positive 8x. Now we're going to drop down our remaining terms. Now we're going to figure out how many times x goes into 8x. 8x divided by x is 8. So 8 goes on top. 8 gets multiplied by both terms on the outside. 8 times x is 8x. 8 times -6, -48. We're going to subtract. 8x minus 8x is nothing. -44 minus -48, that's positive 4. 4 is our remainder. Okay, we have a remainder of 4. So when we write our final answer, it's all going to come from what's up top, x squared plus 5x plus 8. And then our remainder is 4. Our remainder goes over what we originally divided by, which is x minus 6. This is our answer. All right, same thing for our second one. X minus 4 goes out here. X to the third plus 5x squared minus 32x minus 16. How many times does x go into x to the third? That's x to the second. X to the second is multiplied by both terms on the outside. X squared times x is x to the third. X squared times -4, -4x squared. We're going to subtract. X to the third minus x to the third is nothing. 5x squared minus -4x squared, that's 9x squared. Drop down our remaining terms. X goes into 9x squared. 9x times. That's 9x squared divided by x. And then 9x gets multiplied by x minus 4. So 9x times x, 9x squared. 9x times -4, -36x. We're going to subtract. 9x squared minus 9x squared is nothing. -32x minus -36x, that's positive 4x. Drop down our -16. X goes into 4x. 4 times. 4 up top, 4 gets multiplied by x minus 4. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. We're going to subtract. 4x minus 4x is nothing. Negative 16 minus negative 16, also nothing. This time we have a remainder of 0. So our final answer is just everything on top up here. X squared plus 9x plus 4.